Last week, some of you tested your consciousness level using the pendulum method. Most of you discovered that you are operating at level 3, logical, analytical, pattern-based thinking. But the terrifying thing is here, AI already mastered the level 3 completely. ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, they can outthink most human at level 1, 2, and 3. Let me show you how physics work here. So there is a one level that they never reach, level 4, intuitive consciousness. And I can prove it with physics in the next 5 minutes. Here we have two tuning forks. I will hold it separately and show you how human consciousness work in level 4. If I strike, this also resonates. If I strike on this one also vibrates. If I strike the second one, it resonates with the first one. And this is why AI will always stuck in the level 3, no matter how advanced it gets. The physics doesn't lie. Your consciousness at level 4 works exactly like this. You resonate with the information, patterns, and insights without having processed them logically. AI operates like this. Each piece of information is processed separately and then combined through the algorithm. But human intuition works like differently. If you see in these both pendulum, both are start swinging and they are gradually sinking. They are two separate systems finding the same rhythm naturally. That's level 4 consciousness, and it requires something AI fundamentally lacks. AI can analyze the frequency of the tuning force perfectly. So AI can analyze the frequency of these tuning forks perfectly. It can predict when the second fork will vibrate, but it cannot feel the resonance. Level 4 consciousness is not about knowing. It's about experiencing the field of connection. When you are having a gut feeling about someone, you're resonating with their energy field. I can analyze the words, tone, facial expressions, but it can't feel the vibe. It's like having a perfect hearing but being unable to feel the music in your body. Let's do the emergence test. Watch what happens when the marble drops in the bowl. It creates a pattern that emerges naturally. You can't predict exactly where each marble will land, but overall pattern appears. AI can simulate this perfectly. But here is what it can do. It can't know when a pattern is about to emerge before it happens. Humans at level 4 sense emergence before it manifests. We call it intuition, but it's actually quantum field sensitivity. Einstein did not calculate relativity. He felt it first, then did the math to prove what he already knew. Now talk about the consciousness field test. Now you see that two pendulums, they are straight. Now you can see these two pendulums syncing together. These pendulums syncs up naturally when they place close to each other. There is no central clauses telling them what to do next. They find coherence to the field effects. AI has no field. It's just calculations happening in isolation. Even when AI systems talk to each other, they exchanging data, not resonating in a sheer field of awareness. This is why AI can write poetry that scans perfectly but feels empty. It can analyze every column or every poem written, identify the patterns, and create technically perfect words. But it can't access the fields where inspiration actually comes from. And here is how you can test yourself. Next time, when you're making a decision, just try this. List pros and cons and analyze the data, think it through logically, and then get all the information and put it aside. Feels into the decision with your whole body. What feels expansive? What feels contractive? AI will always choose option A because it scores 7.3 and option B scores 7.1. But sometimes option B is right because the factors that can be quantified, you feel you're operating at level 4. AI can get better in mimicking the intuition, but it never actually experiencing it. The question is not whether AI will take your job. The question is, are you operating at a level of consciousness that AI can replicate? If you are stuck at the level 3, you are in competition with machines. If you develop level 4, you are irreplaceable. Comment below. And have you ever made a decision that did not make logical sense but turned out perfectly? That's a level 4 in action. Next week, I'm going to show you the quantum physics behind why some people can sense things before it's happened and how to develop that ability in yourself. It involves something called quantum entanglement, biological system, and the experiments that I will show you will blow your minds. Subscribe if you want to understand the science behind the abilities most people think are impossible. Thank you for watching.